Well, folks, this is all the debris we took out while we were here. We weren't able to get to the floors today, which is kind of unfortunate, but yeah, we were able to get all the drywall and everything on the surface at least taken care of. So yeah, it's absolutely insane what these kinds of monster storms can do to people's livelihoods. So the biggest takeaway I take from this is that if people are told to evacuate, it's for a reason, and this is the kind of power these monster storms have. So I will say this once again: stay safe, guys.